Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. To put an application on a full screen, you can either click this icon in the top right corner of the window and then click it again to demaximize it. You can also double click the top bar of the window and double click it to maximize it, or you can grab it and drag it to the top of the screen, then release it, and this way you will also maximize your window to demaximize it. You can drag the window down, and that's all the ways to put your applications on full screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.